SOLJETS presents the 2008 Premier 1A, serial number RB240. An immaculate, well-equipped Premier 1A with complete engine maintenance coverage through JSSI Premium. Serial number RB240 is equipped with a Collins ProLine 21 avionics suite, featuring the Mark V Enhanced Ground Proximity Warning System, TCAS-2 traffic, WX800 color weather radar, and the L3 cockpit voice recorder. Serial number RB240 features a 2020 refurbished interior, which is complete with a 6-passenger interior in tan leather and dark tan carpet, accented with high-gloss wood detailing, brushed nickel hardware, and 2 stowable writing tables. The exterior features a tan belly with black and gold accent striping. The registration letters are on the engine nacelles, preserving the Beechcraft logo on the tail. The Premier 1A is known for its luxurious and spacious cabin, yet high cruise speeds, typically above 450 knots. RB240 presents a tremendous value for a well-equipped, highly capable machine. Call us today to learn more. SOLJETS. Freedom. Adventure.